Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do another feathery kind of straight pour, but I went totally in different way with the tilting part. So I'm doing voiceover because I just filmed it but I didn't talk. I poured black and pearl white, and I have some yellows, oranges, gold, copper, permanent red, violet, just some colors that are sitting around in my cups from my previous pours. I always mix too much paint, I always do. Yeah, maybe I should, measure more or whatever, but fluid art for me is more about my feeling, or how can I say, I like to just, I don't know, just follow my instincts, or how can I say, or just try to feel it. Yeah, it's not always perfect. Yeah, it's a lot of times that you fail, but I almost always enjoy the process, at least. So when I was start pouring, I poured quite from up high and fast, and then I was deciding that I will try to do some jiggles and create some kind of sunsetty look. This angle from my other camera is so weird colors sometimes, but yeah, I will flip around then. But when I start tilting it, I totally change my mind, what I want to keep, what I want to tilt off, and I went totally in different way that I was planning to. And this is what I want to tell you. Just follow your instincts. Yeah, maybe sometimes are not right, but I believe that art is a lot about the energy. We basically pour our energy onto the canvas, and sometimes it feels different than others. So yeah, sorry guys, but yeah, that's how I feel. My art is not always just, that I have to teach you the techniques, because sometimes it's just not about the technique. I like how it looked right now, but I was not happy when I start stretching it, so I went totally different way. So I will stop rambling and let you watch the video. Thanks, enjoy. So here she is dry, and I love it. I love how this gold shines. I love a peak of permanent violet here and there. I love these soft pearl white parts and those whispers into the black. The details are amazing. So yeah, I love this one. I kind of like that I tilted off things so I keep the negative space here. Maybe for some a lot of wasted paint, but I think that it's beautiful like that, and you can't achieve that without tilting all that part off. But you can always use it for another project. And I just scraped it into the cup, and I did this straight pour here. I know that this is not everyone's cup because it's a lot of brown, but some people like those shades, so this was just scrape the paint and pour it on, and I really like it. The colors are more mixed, but you still get some definition, you see. And here this path here, weird, but I like it. But the main focus is my original painting. Yeah. And I'm really, really happy with this one. So thanks for being here. Tell me what you think about it. If you like it too, please share, like, subscribe, all the things to push, and hype if you have some points left. It helps algorithm to push my videos to other people too, so it would help me a lot. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye.